Guys, welcome back to my another vlogs, and for today's video I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'm back. So I bring my desk. Ada boleh masuk ya orang kopinya tuh barang. Why do I look so ugly? Myeondong loaf. I haven't tried it. Sama kawanmu apa? Sama kawanku. Dia tahu coba ceknya. Yeah, right now is 1:19 and we're on our way to the Times Square with my sister and
How do you spell it?
Myeondong tteokbokki. M-Y-E. Okay, bye guys. See you guys later. Because it's really wide. Solid camera. Mana? Di atas, I think. Lihat. Dapat kirapan kan? Okay.
You want also?
Yeah.
Shall we order 12 pieces? 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
Veggies.
Veggies lah.
Veggies bagi yang 3 pieces.
Aku angkat, takut. It's really cool. So cool.
Looking at this. But then jangan ikut.
Yay! I'm order Hangul chicken doktak, and then this one my sister. She's order kimchi chicken. Kimbap and also drinks like peach and green tea. That's all. Oh yeah. Wow. Được là đâu? Check 119.
Pokoknya yang tadi.
Kali lagi.
Oh.
작은 내 방송 웅크리고 있는 어깨 자꾸 반복되는 시간 조금 어려운 것 같아.
Hey guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing exchange gift from my friends. Here is it. lips. Black. And what else? What else? Casing. Miffy casing. Wait, let me try it. Wow, so cute and fun. I think I'm not going to use this one because I'm scared it's get dirty. So I'm gonna use this clear Miffy casing. I really love this one. Next, we have blind box. Wow, Disney Princess blind box. Actually, this one I haven't opened it. Hope I got the secret one. I think the secret one is Ariel. Our secret one, Aurora, Snow White, Cinderella, or this one, what do you call Billy? Belle? Ah, yeah. Let's open it. I hope I got the secret one. Yeah. Ta-da! I just got the Aurora.
하루 이틀 점점 채워질 시간은 네 빈집이 필요해 하나 둘 셋 내 마음이 도착할 때 너의 기억 속에 그냥 흘려보내 너가 두려만 해 이 짧은 시간을 채워가기 위해 고민은 짧게 너는 그냥 흘려보내 아무런 고민하지 마 너가 가면 나는 혼자 그 많은 추억들을 헌납 추억들의 손잡 이러지 말고 나랑 손잡자 너의 기억들 속아 전부 태워버려 뻔히 꼬일 대로 꼬인 상황 나는 꽤나 잘도 버팀 너를 생각하는 건 네 바닥에서 최고인걸 수동굴처럼 트는 생각물이 새고 있어 나는 wavy
Here is the card.
빨간색 물이 엮고 있어 나는 심장쯤에 와 있어
You're so cute.
삼키거나 뺐던지 그냥 쿨하게 그냥 흘려보내
Oh my god, this is so cute.
이 짧은 시간을 채워가기 위해 고민은 짧게
That's all from today. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you guys on the other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up below.
너는 내 어깨 기대